Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 or CS2 game not launching or won't launch issue after the new update. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Fix 1. Delete auto exec.cfg file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the game folder, CSGO folder, CFG folder, and here look for the autoexec.cfg file. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Uncheck compatibility settings. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder, open the game folder, open the bin folder, Win64 folder, and here right click on CS2 exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab, and if run this program in compatibility mode for is ticked mark, then untick it. If disable full screen optimization is ticked mark, untick it. And if run this program as an administrator is ticked mark, then untick it. So you have to untick all these three options and then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphics card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to delete the Steam user data folder, which is a random numeric folder inside the user data folder. Now please take a note, you don't have to worry about it because this will only remove Steam cache files. It will not delete your games or saved progress, but you will need to log in back to your Steam account afterwards. And once you logged in back to your Steam account, then you can go ahead, launch the CS2 game and check if the problem is solved or not. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Program Files x86 folder, open the Steam folder, then open the user data folder, and then right click on this numeric folder and select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the Steam, and then you have to log in back, and after logging back you can launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve CS2 game not launching or won't launch issue or launching fail problem after the new update on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.